is this? Ooh, look at this old entryway. This place is a bit ancient. There's a 4051 for all you fire alarm fans. Here it is. What is this thing? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, here we go. Here's your indicator. This is neat. I bet this used to be Dover. Because look, right where a Dover logo would be. Whoa! This thing is big and loud. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna pause the video. I'm gonna take some still photos. Let's get our cab view now. Whoa! Wait a minute. Look at this carpet. The whole thing is all these wacky colors. Green, red, or blue, red and green. I promise I'm not colorblind. Yeah, this has a very wacky aesthetic to it for an apartment building. Here's your cab. Honestly, the cab itself is nothing special. This is the awesome part here. Let me see if I can get a picture with the whole thing in the frame. Wow. All right, down to B. This might be one of the coolest Dover attractions I have ever ridden. G is burnt out, probably because of all the time it spends sitting on G with that bulb on. And then basement, ooh, rough stuff. Although that is to be expected for something running on its original equipment. Wow, this thing is very peculiar. Here's your fire department key, which is gone. And it left. Nice. Okay, well, I guess that's it.